Hello and welcome back, everyone. I have something exciting for you today. Something sweet, refreshing, and perfect for this hot summer weather. Trust me, your children are going to love this one. Today, we're making homemade mango and strawberry popsicles. I decided to make two versions, one with layers of mango and strawberry together, and another made with just mango. The results were absolutely amazing. Just look at those beautiful colors. They're already inviting us to take a bite. Let's get started. You want nice, sweet, ripe mangoes for the best flavor. Next, I brought out my strawberries. Mine were frozen, but that's perfectly fine for this recipe. As you can see, my children are currently on summer break, so they decided to join me in the kitchen today. Kudos to my little helpers. They always make cooking more fun. Now it's time to blend. I added the chopped mangoes into the blender, poured in some whole milk to help with blending, and added a few spoonfuls of sugar. You can also use evaporated milk if you prefer. Then I blended everything until it was smooth and creamy. After that, I repeated the same process with the strawberries. I added milk, sugar, and blended until I had a smooth strawberry puree.
I had my silicone popsicle molds ready. First, I poured in some mango puree, then added the strawberry puree to create beautiful layers. I repeated the process until all the larger molds were filled. For the smaller molds, I decided to make plain mango popsicles. Honestly, I love the bright golden color of the mango puree. It looks so beautiful and appetizing. Once everything was filled, I transferred the molds into the freezer and left them until completely frozen. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Look at me removing them from the molds. Just look at that. They came out perfectly. These homemade popsicles are fruity, creamy, refreshing, and exactly what you need to cool down during the summer. Tell me in the comments, which one would you pick? The mango and strawberry layered popsicle or the plain mango popsicle? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Your support means so much to me and helps our channel continue to grow. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay cool, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.